Soft sunlight drift across the tile, draw the door open, and then for a while crashes in the sound of water cascading. Eyes glide swiftly past the washing line, same old socks and knickers, hers and mine, and the seagull scavengers mess parading. This long-loved life parading. This long-lost life is fading. Ivy wrapping round wrought iron bars, geraniums suffering African moss scars, and I'm lying here, stoned, meditating. The bejeweled lady, all the way from Rajasthan, her Mona Lisa smile, bulrushes in her hand, looks down on the ducks violently mating. She says they need emasculating. Even nature she finds frustrating. Reflections dance on the ceiling screen. Camphor wood chest from China sits in between Ganesh and the Buddha who laughs. The psychedelic stereo, Big Al's last act. Josephine from Bali, beautiful but cracked, and mighty ceramics, still queen of the craft. Life is like jumping between river rafts. Life is albums of photographs. Vistas from the terrace of snow-capped Canigou, beside the television, color-coded videos in harmony and tanglewood guitars, denizens of folk. Magic handmade chess set at the cool coffee table, 1,000 books to read if you are able, an aging, balding, gray-bearded bloke. The last of the grease lightning going up in smoke. Then life seems but a joke. Laronda's buttocks follow you around. Warren's still singing, though he's heaven bound. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. Here we can easily step out into the rain, where the elements still remain the same, a bit like the condition of my art. Life ends like an abandoned cart. Life ends like a lingering